Hi, Deidre here from Our Upcycled Life, and welcome to my channel. My husband and I have been building a log home. It has been quite a process, but we're seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. We're almost there, and I'm ready to pull everything together. So today's project is these French doors. When I ordered them, I loved them. I thought they would be beautiful to be able to look out and see all of our lot. But the one issue is when people are coming in, they can see right through to our whole house. So I found a solution and it's beautiful, and I'm going to put on some window film. I found this on Amazon. It's really easy to install. It's going to allow us to still see out a little bit, have the light come through, but when people pull up and come to our home, they're not going to be able to see through the whole house. So I'm going to show you today how I'm going to install it and the before and the after. I was so excited when I found this product on Amazon. I love that it'll let the natural light in, but it's still a cost-effective solution to create some privacy in your home. It's removable, reusable, and it can be peeled off in seconds, making it completely renter-friendly. So this is the product. It's a window film. It's really easy to install. It has really great instructions to show you step-by-step how to do it. And it basically is a frosted glass look, and the one I found has almost like a stained glass look, and the grid pattern gets peeled off, so you're not going to see that, but it's going to give you that frosted glass look with that triangle stained glass look. The first thing you have to do is completely clean your windows and the frame. Scrape off any little dirt or glue debris or paint that you might have on the glass. Make sure the windows are clean and dry. And then you want to measure the length and the width of the window that you want to cover. Make sure you're accurate at this. I always measure twice, cut once. This is not forgiving, so you don't want to make a mistake. You really want to make sure you're bang on with your measurements. I added a 1/2 inch on each side so I could trim off any extra if I needed to, so I wouldn't have to worry about cutting it too short. And then I used a really sharp pair of scissors and cut along the line of the measurements that I used. I also love that it's going to help retain heat in the winter and keep it cool in the summer. Right before I'm going to install the window clean, I'm going to spray it generously with some soapy water and over the entire glass surface. The water acts as a lubricant for the film, and it's key in installing the static cling window films. Just make sure that the glass is really wet before you start hanging the window film. And then we want to take the liner off the back of the window cling. It can be a little bit tricky. I put a piece of tape on the front and the back and then pulled the 2 pieces of tape away, and it helped remove that backing. We're going to place it on our window exactly where we want it. I've cut it a little bit bigger, so I'm going to have a little bit overhanging, and we're just going to press it right down. As you go along, pulling off the back, you can squirt it with a little bit more soapy water again, and that's going to ensure that it's going to stick really well. So this can be applied to any smooth glass surface. You can also use this in any DIYs as a glass decor by cutting it into any shape. I can just imagine some of the DIYs that I can use some of this on with some of the scrap that I'm going to have left over. I love that there's not any glue, so if later on I decide that I don't want it up, it just peels off really easy, but until you peel it off, it stays up there really well. As I'm laying that window cling down, you're going to see some air bubbles and some water. I'm just pressing it down with my hand to the bottom of the window. Later on, we're going to go in with a squeegee to get the last little bits out. The window squeegee didn't come in the kit, but you can find them at the dollar store, or you can get them at your local hardware store. I think I paid $1.69 for these. Or you could also use a squeegee if you have one in your shower. That would work perfect. This window cling came in all kinds of different designs and patterns also. This would work perfect if you wanted to create some privacy in a bathroom window affordably. You wouldn't have to worry about buying any blinds. Once I had it completely installed, I took my scraper and a utility knife and I just trimmed around the edges. You want to take your time when doing this because you don't want to cut it too short because it definitely will show. Absolutely love this DIY. It has changed the whole look of our downstairs here. It's affordable, and it made my French doors look like they were stained glass. It's fixed the privacy issue, so when people are pulling into our driveway, they can't see right through our home, but it's still letting light through. I think this is a fantastic way to give you that privacy and not have to spend thousands, sometimes thousands of dollars on fancy French doors with the stained glass inserts. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and would love to know down in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. And if you love this video, I'm sure you'll love either of these next two. Take care.